day children, today I am going to take 12th standard business maths for you. First chapter we have completed. Now today I am going to take second chapter, integral calculus. See here, calculus is divided into two. One is differential calculus. Another one is integral calculus. Differential calculus deals with the derivative of a function. It is derivative of a function. Integral calculus deals with the antiderivative of a derived function. This we will talk about derivative, this we will talk about antiderivative of a derived function. In this chapter we are going to see about the concept of integral and the method of finding indefinite and definite integral. Indefinite and definite integral. Now I am going to talk about indefinite integral. See here, already in differential calculus we have learnt. In differential we have learnt how to find f dash of x. If f of x is given with respect to x. But in integral calculus, we have to find f of x. This is a primitive function. Integral enna kandupidikke porom, we have to find f of x. What is given here? F dash of x is given. This is a integral calculus. Actually, integration is the reverse process of differentiation. Integration is the reverse process of here differentiation. Have you understood? Next we are going to see about problems. See here, in exercise C, some properties are given. Listen, integral, this is the symbol of integral, the elongated S. Integral f of x dx, we can write it as f of x plus c. Here c is a constant. Next one is integral k. F of x dx is equal to, here k is constant here, k integral f of x dx. Next property is integral. I am going to take two primitive functions, that is f of x and g of x. That means f of x plus or minus g of x. Here two functions. Integrate. If we integrate equal to d of x, that is equal to, we can split it as 2. We can decompose into plus 2, plus or minus. Integral f of x dx plus or minus integral g of x dx. These are the properties. Next one I want to tell you, d by dx of, already we have learned, d by dx means differentiation. D by dx of f of x is small f of x. Have you understood? Next I am going to write some results. See, I want to tell you methods of integration. Methods of integration. Totally there are 4 methods are there. Methods of integration, 4 principal methods are there. That is integration by decomposition. First one is integration by decomposition. Next one is integration by parts. Next third one is integration by substitution. Next last thing, integration by successive reduction. In this chapter, we are going to see about this 4 methods of integration. Have you understood? Next, our results. Now, our first exercises, we are going to do integration by decomposition method. In that, some 2 results are given in your textbook. See here. Our first result is integral x power n dx. X power n, this is our integrand part. This is our integrand part. Here our variable is x. With respect to x, you have to integrate. Integrate x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. C is constant here. Here n should not equal to minus 1. Next, second result is integrate ax plus b whole power n dx. This is equal to ax plus b whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Here also our n should not equal to minus 1. These two results only we are going to use it in our first exercise 2.1. Have you understood? Next I will explain one example problems. Listen here. See, our first problem is integral ax square plus bx plus c divided by root x into dx. See, now I am going to write it as integral ax square plus bx plus c. This root x I am going to write it as x power 1 by 2. Root x எப்படி எழுதலாம்? X power 1 by 2 dx. Next, integrate ax square. This 1 by 2, if I take it to numerator, it will become minus 1 by 2. அப்போ இதோட சேரும்போது minus 1 by 2 plus b x power here 1. Powerல 1 இல்லைன்னா என்னன்னு அர்த்தம்? The meaning is 1. Minus 1 by 2 plus cx, if you bring it to numerator, minus 1 by 2 into dx. Have you understood? Next I am going to simplify. Integrate ax power, take LCM, 4 minus 1 is 3 by 2 plus bx power 1 by 2 plus cx power minus 1 by 2 into dx. Now I am going to split it into 3 parts. A, take the constant out. A x power 3 by 2 dx plus next one is b, third one is c. B integrate x power 1 by 2 dx. Our last one is c integrate x power minus 1 by 2 dx. Now which result I am going to use here? This one. Integrate x power n dx. What is our result? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This result I am going to use it in this problem. See, என்ன பண்ணணும்? A, what is our x power? 3 by 2. அப்ப x power 3 by 2 plus 1. X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Here n is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 plus 1. Next, plus b x power, here our power is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c x power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. At last you have to write constant here. Any variable you can write. Here I am going to write it as k. Next step. Now you simplify a x power. If you add this, you have to take LCM and you have to add this. X power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 plus b x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c x power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 at last constant. Now take reciprocal. 5 by 2 you can write it as 2 by 5. So 2a x power 5 by 2 by 5. This also you can take reciprocal. 2b x power 2 by 2 by 3 plus 2c x power 1 by 2 plus k. Have you understood this problem? Okay. Now we are going to see about our next example problem. Evaluate integral root 2x plus 1 dx. First this one you have to change your root 2x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 dx. Which result we can use here means already I said integral ax plus b whole power n dx. You can write it as ax plus b whole power n plus 1 divided by a into n plus 1 plus c. This result only I am going to use it in this problem. See, if என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? See, listen. 2x plus 1. This is our ax plus b whole power. Here n is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by a. Here our a is 2. 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1. Now you simplify here. 2x plus 1 whole power, take LCM, 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2, divided by 2 into 3 by 2, plus c, you have to introduce constant here. So, cancel 2. What is our answer? 2x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 divided by 3 plus c. Have you understood this? Result only I am using in this problem. What is our result? Integral ax plus b whole power. This is integration by decomposition method. Why we are using decomposition method means we can't integrate directly. We have to split it and write. For splitting the integral, we have to use integration by decomposition method. Have you understood? See here. In 2x plus 1 whole power. Our n is 1 by 2. So n plus 1, that is 3 by 2. Divided by a into n plus 1. Here our a is 2. So 2 into n is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. Here I am cancelling 2. So our remaining is 3. So 2x plus 1 whole bar 3 by 2 by 3. Plus you have to introduce constant here. Plus c. Have you understood? Our next problem is 9x square minus 4 by x square whole square. See, this is of the form a minus b whole square. We have to use our identity. What is our identity? A square minus 2ab plus b square. You should not integrate at once. First you have to simplify our question. You have to use our identity. Identity use பண்ணி நம்ம question simplify பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் at last only you have to integrate. So now I am going to use this identity. Our a is here 9x square. So a square 9 9s are 81. X power 4 minus 2. Here our a is 9x square. B is 4 by x square. Plus, what is our b here? 4 by x square. 4 by x square whole square. Have you understood? So, 81 x power 4. You can cancel x square. Minus 9x are 72. Plus 16 by 4 4s are 16. X square, if you again square, you will get x power 4. Now, we question is simplify பண்ணியாச்சு. Now we can integrate. What you have to do? See, introduce our integrate symbol. Integrate 81 x power 4 minus 72 plus 16 by x power 4 into dx. What is our formula? X power n formula? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This result only I am going to use it here. So, 81 x power 5 by 5. 4 out of add பண்ணீங்கன்னா 5 ஆயிடும். 4 plus 1 5. Here denominator 4 plus 1 5. Minus 72. Here 72 dx. If you integrate, in x கிடையாது. If you integrate, you will get only x. If the x இருந்ததுன்னா you will get x square by 2 plus 16. See here x power 4. It is in denominator. நீங்க அது numerator கொண்டு வந்தீங்கன்னா x power minus 4 ஆயிடும். Now you have to add plus 1 divided by minus 4 plus 1 plus c. At last you have to write our constant. So 81 x power 5 divided by 5 minus 72x. If you simplify this, என்ன வரும்? 16x power minus 3 by minus 3 plus c. Again I am going to write it this as 81 x power 5 divided by 5 minus 72x. Here minus is here. So அப்ப இந்த plus என்ன ஆயிடும்? Minus 16 by 3. Here x power minus 3. That means அப்ப denominatorல வரும்போது என்ன ஆயிடும்? By x cube ஆயிடும். இதுதான் numeratorக்கு போகும்போது it will change it into x power minus 3 ஆயிடும். Plus c. That's all. Have you understood? See here, I have given homework here. First problem and third problem, you have to do it as homework. Thank you.